What is your name?
My name is Maloney.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Are you planning a vacation?
Yes, I am planning a vacation.
What did you do on your last vacation?
I visited a museum.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the supermarket.
Are you a good cook?
Yes, I am a good cook.
What time is your meeting?
My meeting is at 10 a.m.
Do you like watching sports?
Yes, I like watching sports.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with family.
Are you studying now?
Yes, I am studying now.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Can you speak French?
No, I can't speak French.
What did you buy last week?
I bought a new jacket.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like gardening.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
I usually read a book or watch TV.
Are you going out tonight?
No, I am staying home tonight.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
How do you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays with family.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
What did you do this afternoon?
I went shopping.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free this weekend.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like horror movies?
No, I don't like horror movies.
How often do you visit your parents?
I visit my parents every month.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Gizio.
What are you doing next weekend?
I am going to a concert.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually go to the mountains.
How do you relax?
I relax by reading a book.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a garden.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I ate a salad.
Are you going to the gym today?
Yes, I am going to the gym today.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can play basketball.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, I like reading magazines.
How do you get to work?
I get to work by train.
What did you do last night?
I went out with friends.
Are you a good singer?
Yes, I am a good singer.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
Do you like science fiction?
Yes, I like science fiction.
What are you planning for tomorrow?
I am planning to clean the house.
Can you surf?
No, I can't surf.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is La Piazza.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every week.
What did you do last Christmas?
I spent it with my family.
Are you excited for the weekend?
Yes, I am excited for the weekend.